Hey, what's up guys? This is Adobe Rider, and in this video we are going to talk about the Amazon S3 bucket. So in this channel we talk about a lot of technologies that is helpful for video editors. But if you take a look at the S3 bucket, various professionals can take advantage of this S3 bucket. So in this video, we're going to take a look at how to create a new S3 bucket in Amazon Web Services, and how to upload files to S3 bucket, and how to download files from S3 buckets, how we can share files from S3 bucket, and also how to control the access to S3 bucket. So now you might ask why we need to use S3 bucket instead of the Google Drive or Dropbox. The thing is, the most secure platform is S3 bucket, because you can encrypt the data on S3 bucket, and also if you have programming knowledge, you can do a lot of unlimited things to control the access and share these files, and you can build application and a lot of things, right? So possibilities are limitless with the S3 bucket. So let's go to the Amazon console. So if you don't have an Amazon Web Services account, you can go to the Amazon Web Services and create a new account. You can use a 12-month free trial option. Under that free category, you will get like a 5 GB free S3 bucket storage. So first 12 month you don't have to pay anything. You can experiment these technologies with the free trial. If you go to the Google and if you type the AWS free trial, you will get this link, and you need to sign up for free Amazon Web Services account. It's a pretty simple process. You can create a Amazon Web Services account. Once you create the account, you can go to the Amazon console home page like this. If you click on this, you will get access to Amazon Web Services home page. Now you need to find the S3 bucket services. You can click on services. Here you can search the S3. Let's type S3 and it will pop up the service. Now you can add this to your favorite like this. Now we have added. So here you can see now I have added this this is my recently visited services. You can see I use S3, EC2, a lot of other technologies. Actually, I am using a paid version because I pay for AWS, so that's why you can see this cost, but it is very cheap option. But you can practice these things with the free trial account for 12 months. Now click on this S3, and now it will open the S3 bucket console. All right, now here you can see all the buckets that I have created in the S3 storage. So these are buckets that I have already created. And also the one thing that I would like to mention here is you can host static websites on S3 bucket. If you take a look at this one, this is a public website that I have hosted on Amazon S3, right? That way you can host a free website on Amazon S3, because for 12 months you can get 5 GB free storage. Now let's take a look at how to create first your S3 bucket. Now here you can see this create bucket. Buckets are actually storage containers in the S3 storage. It's buckets. We put objects, that is mean it could be video files, audio files, images into these buckets, and we can share these bucket with others and stuff like that. Buckets are like same concept like folders, right? So we can create folders. Amazon use it as buckets. So now we create a new bucket, create bucket, and now you will get this create bucket dialog box. Here you can type the bucket name. When write bucket names, the bucket name should be unique, global, right? So you cannot use uppercase. It should be lowercase. Like let's type Adobe Rider. You need to use the lowercase. You can type the name. It should be unique globally, and also you can select the AWS region. Depending on the area that you access this bucket. Let's say you access you need to access, most people access this bucket from the Asia Pacific region or Mumbai or something like that, or if this access from Japan, you can select the S3 AWS region, right, depending on the access. And if you have a need to copy the control and security list from existing bucket, you can use this one. These are some advanced things. In this video, I'm not going to in depth, just go to basic idea to give you what you can do with this S3 bucket. Here you can see block public access settings for this bucket. This is the place where we control the access to our S3 bucket. Currently it is saying block all public access. That means no one can access this S3 bucket. We need to manually add access control list or bucket access policies to if we need to allow someone to give this access. These are some advanced concepts. Let's move forward. And here you can see if you want to search buckets based on tags, you can add tags, and you can control the encryption of the data of this bucket. Let's create a bucket. Now it will create the S3 bucket. Okay, now we can see that we have successfully created the S3 bucket Adobe Rider 53, right? To upload files, folders, or to configure bucket settings, you can view details. You can close here. Now you can see this is the bucket that we created, right? You can see the bucket region, and buckets and objects are not public. That's why no one can access this bucket. Now click on this bucket. And now we are inside the bucket, the S3 bucket, and now we can upload the things to this S3 bucket. We can upload the video files, audio files, or any other thing upload, right? Let's click on upload button. And here you can see that to upload the files larger than 160 GB, so you need to use the AWS CLI or SDK or Amazon S3 REST API. These are some advanced work that you need to do that. But if you need to do that, you can do a little research and you can do these things. Now let's upload a simple image to this S3 bucket. You can click on add files or add folders. In this case, I'll add files. And here I select this one, image, and I click open. Now you can see you can upload multiple files. You can turn on this check mark if you want to select if you want to do selective upload. In this case, you can see the destination S3 bucket, Adobe Rider 53 bucket, and you can control some other permissions and other things. You can just simply upload here. Now it is uploading the file, and you can see upload success. And now you can see these details, and you can close this. Now in this S3 bucket, now under the object section, we can see all the objects that we have uploaded into this S3 bucket. Objects means all the video files, audio files, or things that you want to upload into this, right? Now you can select this, and if you copy this URL, and let's go to the incognito window, and if you paste this, now no one can access this file because this is a private S3 bucket and this is not public. Let's say you want to share this file with someone only for 1 hour, right? In that case, you can go to the action. Here you can see share with the pre-signed URL. If you click on this, you will get this dialog box, and here we can give someone to access this file limited amount of time. Let's say we want to share this file with someone only for 30 minutes. You can select the minutes and you can type 30 here, and now create pre-signed URL, right? When you click on this, it will copy to the clipboard. And now let's go to the incognito window again, and let's paste this. Now we can access this file only for 30 minutes. After the 30 minutes, the access will be disabled for this file. They cannot be accessed using this link, right? So this is basic things. And now if you want to download this file, you can download here, and here you can see some properties. Here I mentioned earlier that you can host static websites on S3 bucket. You can enable this, and you can do static website hosting on S3 bucket. I am planning to create a video about how to host a static website on S3 bucket. So in this video, we are just we are not going in depth things. I just want to give you a basic idea about what you can get from Amazon S3 buckets. Right here, we can go to the buckets root here, and here you can see all the buckets that I have here. So these are the basic things that you need to learn about the S3 bucket. You can just explore these technologies, and you can decide how to use these technologies for your business. So if you like these kind of things, please subscribe to Adobe Rider, and I'll be back with the next video. Thanks.